What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the Clear Cryptos Education Channel. My name is Jay Seals, and in today's episode, we are talking about China because they recently unbanned crypto and they are trying to take over the financial institutions top of the United States. And the CEO of Coinbase has something to say about it. So let's get right into it. So the CEO of Coinbase has dropped some bombshells about how China is trying to dominate the crypto industry. So Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has warned that US risks ceding its global financial leadership and innovation hub status if it fails to recognize the transformative potential of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. He claims by enforcing restrictive policies, the US is inadvertently driving crypto innovation offshore. That shift will compromise America's legacy of pioneering technological advancements and weaken our national security posture. Now, he emphasized that the currency has embodied innovation from earliest coins as physical stores of value that transitioned the human race from bartering to commerce to the advent of portable paper currency that bolstered lending and investment. So Coinbase CEO suggests that now the US and other democratic nations are up against digital systems promoted by ambitious adversary China. Armstrong revealed that China is promoting two Chinese tech behemoths, Alipay and Tencent, which offered integrated payment systems with direct instant access to an array of services. With the recent launch of its digital yuan, China aims to directly challenge the US dollar and its role in global commerce. He stressed that crypto has the potential to play a significant part in stimulating the American economy and promoting democratic values worldwide. If the US falls short today, the next generation of Americans will pay the price, he said. Armstrong warned that if the US fails to recognize the transformative potential of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency, it risks ceding its global financial leadership and innovative hub statuses to other countries. Bringing crypto and blockchain innovation back to the US a decade from now will require a colossal and sustained effort that may not succeed. Armstrong urged policymakers and regulators to work together to modernize the financial system and reaffirm the country's role as a global technology leader, than abdicating it. He also acknowledged that traditional financial capital, including the UK, United Arab Emirates, Brazil, Japan, and European Union, Australia, and Singapore are also vying to become crypto hubs. Overall, Armstrong highlights the potential of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency to revolutionize the financial system and other sectors, and the importance of the US in fostering the innovation in this space. And I can't agree more with him. China is coming to dominate, to absolutely crush America. It's much easier to get things done in China because, let's be honest, there's one man at the top and he decides everything. So for them, it's not that hard to really pass regulation, as we see when they went ahead and decided to get rid of crypto as a whole. And now China sees a huge opportunity to move past America, and I think they want to take it. Now, for me personally, I think that we need this crypto regulation, but what we also need is to be crypto friendly to these businesses, because just like a lot of other things that could transform America, not going to name them, but I'm sure you could probably guess where I'm going with this. There's a large revenue source that America seems to be missing out on because of fear and control. Those are the two things that the government really tries to take advantage of. And I think they need to loosen themselves a little bit, because crypto's here to stay. We know it's here to stay. It's not going anywhere. And as long as they give everybody legal clarity and guidance and allow companies to do what they do and make money that can be taxed here in America, it's going to be good for everybody. But what do you guys think in the comments below? Do you think that China's trying to take over? And do you think they'll be successful in their cryptocurrency takeover? Or will America get its act together and be able to kind of stifle China and get us going with crypto, or continue to dominate in crypto? Because, I mean, let's be honest, everybody wants to be in America, right? But let me know down in the comments. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.